Guys, today I have bought two phones with me, Galaxy S25, as you can see right here, and the iPhone 17 black. And I bought the covers for them, of course. So iPhone 25 first, Galaxy S25. Good. Okay, so the cover here, as you can see, we just bought the transparent one, and yes, we bought both of the phones in lime green. This one is mint green, this is just regular green. So first, the Samsung, of course. So we're just gonna put this on this. This is a regular cover. Okay, this is the regular cover. It's pretty durable. And then the iPhone, let me just take it. Styrofoam. Yeah. And then we got the iPhone cover. We just easily put this right here, snap it into place, and that's all. Voila. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day.